Springboard is the design centre of excellence for the Sana Group. We are a design and development consultancy based in the heart of the medical devices cluster in Cambridge, England, so our clients can benefit from the superb pool of talent and facilities we have built over many years. Working primarily from our custom design laboratories, we are experts at developing medical devices, including drug delivery devices, from initial concept through to manufacture. Many of our clients come to us because we have a unique combination of focusing on medical devices, creating innovative yet robust designs, solving difficult technical problems quickly, and finally having no internal projects, so we're as cost effective as possible and the intellectual property is assigned to our clients. Our team's experience is broad, covering all of the main engineering disciplines including electronics and software, with industrial and product design, human factors, device physics and material science. The Devices Centre of Excellence was founded to earn an outstanding reputation for medical device development, to improve people's lives around the world, and to be an exemplary employer developing our staff. The reputation is vital in medical device development because the largest multinationals through to the most dynamic startups trust us to develop their devices, sometimes from blank sheet of paper through to manufacture. All of the work that we do is conducted under an ISO 13485 quality management system, and the most important metric we use is client feedback to ensure quality. Our focus on medical devices is an example of how we want to improve people's lives around the world. By investing in our staff and developing them, we have created a team of true experts in medical device development in areas such as innovation, robustness, usability, and regulatory compliance.
Industrial design and product design is the art of creating products which blend form, function, and the user experience seamlessly. At Springboard, our industrial design and UX/UI design activities start from the very beginning in our discovery phase, where we discover all we can about the product and the user. After this, we can create ideas through concepts and also visualize them and test them through sketches, photorealistic renders, and also physical and digital UI prototypes. In the later stages of the development process, our design team gets involved with the details of the design, which may involve doing surface modelling for mass production and also specifying the colour, material and finish of the product. In this competitive market, design can be the reason why you buy one product over another. It can also be a way in which you establish your brand. Great design is a way that you can create your next disruptive product.
At Springboard, our industrial design and human factors processes are closely linked, with both teams working together collaboratively. Starting from early phase activities such as contextual inquiries or interviews, we get to really know the user, drawing out the information that can then be used as an input into the design process. This information then starts the building blocks of our designs, working with industrial design, our human factors team, as well as our engineering team, who work together to build concepts that can then be tested through the iterative loop of formative evaluation. We continue through the human factors development process, building the documentation required for whichever regulatory bodies you're interested in submitting to, as well as iterating the design and repeatedly evaluating it to ensure it's ideally developed for your user population. We can offer human factors activities either as a standalone piece of work or as part of a full development process. And that's where the human factors really comes into its own, where you're iteratively developing a product, ensuring from end to end that it works for your user population.
Understanding the fundamental requirements of a product at the start of development is really important to make sure that we are solving the right problem. Once understood, we use a systematic approach to first map out the available design space and then converge on the best solutions. In the early stages of design, we host brainstorm sessions with a cohort of our team, including engineers and scientists with a diverse range of skill set and experience, to bring a range of viewpoints to the table. Using first principle analysis, we can rapidly down-select ideas to systematically identify the optimum solutions. We can then focus our attention on the detailed design of the chosen solutions. And we've developed custom in-house tools to facilitate robust engineering design, such as energy models and tolerance analysis.
The complexity of design transfer often gets overlooked and projects get delayed by extra rounds of design for manufacture work. The value we can add by being part of the SANA group is we can work seamlessly through from design to manufacture. We can avoid the risks of any loss of knowledge or incorrect assumptions about processes because we'll involve the people who are actually making the final parts from the concept design phase. As well as designing the parts to be right first time for manufacture, we have the capabilities to do rapid tooled prototypes so we can provide functional parts to quickly give confidence. We work with clients at all stages of the product development process, from prototyping to small batch builds and on to manufacture, which means we reduce the risks associated with scaling up and also ultimately reduce the time to market.
At Springboard, we believe that the fastest, most efficient and most robust way to develop a product is to really understand how it works. Not just what it's designed to do, but what can go wrong along the way and what sort of behaviours and properties we need to understand and control to make sure it does that reliably. That's why our team goes beyond just design and engineering to include expertise in material science, low temperature physics, biochemistry, surface science, magnetics and a whole lot more. We have our own in-house laboratories. They're perfectly set up for all kinds of testing and model validation, and that's backed up with access to multi-physics simulation, external analytical laboratories, and a deep understanding of statistics that helps us to have confidence in what we do know and what we can prove. We believe that having a thorough and scientifically based understanding of a problem leaves us perfectly placed to go on and develop the right solution the first time. And for our clients, that means a faster time to market and a more robust product.
Technical challenges are inevitable when you're trying to develop something new. Springboard tend to get involved when a difficult problem is encountered. We've applied forensic engineering principles across a wide variety of industries and developed a holistic approach to root cause investigations that we think makes the process more efficient. The process involves building functional maps for a system to understand exactly how it works, and draws upon tools such as interaction matrices and cause-effect chains, coupled with real data to build hypotheses and identify the highest risk priority items. And we can perform the targeted investigations into those using a mixture of theory, experimentation and modelling, and apply advanced statistical methods such as Monte Carlo simulations, which allows us to predict failure rates in the real world based on the existing data. We're quite lucky to draw upon a multidisciplinary team of engineers and scientists, which allows us to consider a problem from all angles. Once the root causes are identified, these methods allow us to consider potential solutions in context, so we don't miss critical interactions. And ultimately, it means that we can provide more robust solutions more quickly to our clients.
If you have any questions about medical device development, please do not hesitate to get in touch.